digital strike counter, or smart cap. What's the difference? They both fit the A24 and they both count your strikes, but one gives you insight. Let's start with the digital strike counter. It counts every strike up to 99. You can check the number directly on the trap. To reset it, just press and hold the button for 3 seconds. You can reset it each time you check, or let the number keep climbing and use it as your running total, whatever works for you. It attaches to the gas canister and uses an internal accelerometer to record each strike. It's a straightforward way to track activity right there on the trap. The Smart Cap takes things a step further. It connects to the Goodnature app on your smartphone using Bluetooth. When you're within range and the app is open, it syncs your latest strike data. You'll see your strike count, the time of each strike, and the temperature data too. It also helps you keep on top of maintenance, with reminders for when it's time to top up your lure or gas. So instead of just numbers, you're getting insights into what's happening and when. However, the Bluetooth range can vary. In ideal conditions, with a clear line of sight, you'll get the longest range. Walls, sheds, dense bush, or anything in between your phone and the trap can reduce that range or block it completely. Just keep that in mind. So which one's right for you? If your trap is easy to check and you like keeping things straightforward and hands-on, maybe you'll prefer the digital strike counter. If your trap's harder to access, you'd rather be notified than check yourself, or want deeper insights into activity, the Smart Cap's your move. Both are available as standalone accessories, so you can start with either and upgrade at any time.